Welcome back to Roam Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're diving into the world of eSIM specifically for O2 customers who love to travel. If you're frequently jetting off to new destinations, you've probably experienced the hassle of swapping physical SIM cards or dealing with expensive roaming charges. An eSIM from providers like eSIM.net can revolutionize your travel experience, offering seamless connectivity and cost-effective data plans. Let's explore how eSIM.net can enhance your travels, particularly if you're an O2 subscriber. The website, eSIM.net/O2/travel acts as your gateway to a world of affordable data. It simplifies the process of staying connected abroad, eliminating the need for physical SIM cards and the associated inconveniences. Imagine landing in a new country and instantly accessing the internet without having to hunt down a local SIM card vendor. With an eSIM from eSIM.net, that's precisely what you can expect. eSIM.net offers a range of data packages tailored to different needs and budgets, so you can choose a plan that perfectly suits your usage patterns. Whether you need a small amount of data for checking emails and social media, or a larger allowance for streaming and video calls, eSIM.net has you covered. This flexibility allows you to control your spending and avoid bill shock when you return home. Furthermore, the eSIM.net platform provides a user-friendly experience, making it easy to purchase and activate your chosen data plan. The entire process can be completed online, often within minutes, so you can be connected before you even step off the plane. This streamlined approach is a significant advantage compared to the traditional process of acquiring a local SIM card. By using an eSIM, you also retain access to your primary O2 number, enabling you to receive calls and texts as usual. This dual SIM functionality offered by eSIM technology allows you to maintain your existing contact details while enjoying cost-effective data in your destination country. It truly provides the best of both worlds. So, if you're an O2 customer tired of exorbitant roaming fees and the inconvenience of physical SIM cards, head over to eSIM.net/O2/travel to discover how eSIM technology can transform your travel experience. You'll find a variety of data plans to choose from, and the simple online activation process ensures you're connected quickly and easily. Embrace the future of mobile connectivity with eSIM.net and enjoy seamless communication wherever your travels take you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more travel tech tips.